Welcome to Crewe. Today we have a Seat Alhambra SE finished in iridium grey. It's a 2-litre TDI model, 150 PS output. Featured on the car are the daytime running lamps and front fog lights. "17" 5-spoke alloy wheels, integrated indicators in the mirror housing. There's also privacy glass on this model, and the roof rails. At the rear there's parking sensors. And the third row of seats has the option to fold completely flat for ease of loading. Three individual seats on the second row with picnic tables. To access the third row, it's one-hand operation. The driver's area is 4 electric windows, electrically heated folding mirrors, automatic lights, leather multifunction steering wheel. The car's covered just over 25,000 miles. Touchscreen media display with Bluetooth streaming and hands-free calls. Dual climate control. Storage in the front with a tyre pressure monitoring system. Hill hold facility with storage in the centre. And an extra 12-volt source, USB and 3.5mm auxiliary in the centre armrest. If you'd like any further details on this particular car, please contact Crewe on 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.